guys, it's Irina. Welcome to Comfort Life channel, the channel where you can find health and beauty tips, useful DIY recipes and very effective tricks. Each week I'm uploading a new video, so do make sure you subscribe so you're always up to date and know where there's a new video. Don't forget to say hello in the comments and let's dive into our new topic today, which is the ingrown hair. Well, I have actually had a lot of requests for this video. So I'm really happy to share it with you. Ingrown hair, of course, is very unpleasant, and to the surprise of many people, it can happen even after shaving, even after waxing or plucking. So it depends on your skin and the way it responds to these treatments. So honestly, I don't like waxing because I would develop the ingrown hair, and shaving is totally fine for me. And sometimes it's vice versa. So let's imagine you have ingrown hair right now, you're suffering, you don't know what to do. The first thing I would advise is to stop doing anything. Stop shaving, stop waxing, stop doing anything with the hair, right? Your hair is not growing up to the surface, it grows back into the skin. So whatever you do, you need to heal these areas first, not want any scars or infection or further inflammation to develop. So this is number one. Number two, you need to apply warm compresses to that area or the areas. The best bet is to take 8 ounces of warm water, don't really burn yourself of course, and add 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. This is really antibacterial. It will help you to reduce the inflammation, that redness, and actually the pain in the area. So once the hair emerges above the skin, sometimes you feel like you could do something with it, right? Like take it out. By all means, make sure the area is clean and you have really clean, sterilized tweezers to do so. But this is the remedy only if you do see that the hair is so close to the surface that one pluck is all it takes. If you feel that it's inside and you want to find it, please don't do this because it might cause inflammation, further, worsening of the symptoms, and you might even develop a scar. So that works only in this case. But still, after you've done that, don't start shaving or waxing again. Give the area time to heal. If you've finalized a couple of ingrown hairs, let's say, I could think we should ask the question, whatever I'm doing right now doesn't work, right? So if I'm shaving and I keep getting ingrown hair, or waxing and I keep getting ingrown hair, this is something I should stop doing and try some alternative method, right? There is no actually alternative method. We only have this laser treatment, but we need to exfoliate the area pretty often. So once the ingrown hair area or areas are healed, you start with this new strategy. You need to exfoliate the area thoroughly because it will remove the dead skin cells, which might be sometimes the reason for the ingrown hair. And well, you need to do it regularly. Don't go crazy, don't do this every day, and on the gentle parts be extra careful. I would say that dry brushing really helps. So you can watch my video if you want to know how you actually do the dry brushing. It's good for the whole thing, circulation, it brings the blood to the surface of your skin, so it's also very good. So exfoliation really helps with that problem. You can do your own recipe for exfoliating scrub. There are products on the market containing salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or even if your area is too inflamed and it's not on the gentle parts, you could use some benzoyl peroxide because it will reduce the inflammation, because you need to reduce the inflammation, you need to heal that area. So you could use that. You are using a very greasy moisturizer that you could feel or have a suspicion it can clog the pores. You need to stop doing so. Let's say many people don't feel well after using shea butter, so light coconut oil, actually very antibacterial, will do you a lot better. If you're thinking that some steroid creams or antibiotic creams, until they've been prescribed by a doctor, I wouldn't really rush with it because antibiotics are not so good, as well as steroid creams. And this is the problem where you can't find the natural solution or better approach. So back to the exfoliation. On my channel you can find tons of exfoliating videos. You could use sugar with some oil, you could use baking soda. You can do these treatments. So I'm just going to give you this really fast. So tea tree oil treatment. It will kill the bacteria and bring the swelling down. You take 1 ounce of oil, say coconut oil, and add 7 to 10 drops of it. Store it in the dark glass jar. And you will need to apply this on your skin after shaving. You can also do this with lavender essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, and frankincense essential oil. But again, in the gentle areas, be extra careful. There is also a very good thing as apple cider vinegar soak. This is the same as the compress, where you take 1 part of apple cider vinegar to 3 parts of warm water, and you make it a compress. Also, let's say you want to shave after the area has been, healed. Don't try to shave too close and be extra gentle. Whatever you use for shaving has to be very sharp. You don't really need to rely on something for months here. It needs to be sharp so it does the job properly without aggravating the ingrown hair. So now, once you've done this, these are really good tips. You could do this, you could not do this in order to prevent the ingrown hair. As I've mentioned, don't try to pick the ingrown hair if it doesn't seem like really easy to do so. Don't really squeeze the bumps, and don't try to dig into your skin to get that ingrown hair. This can cause infection. If you're going to shave, again, after you've treated your ingrown hair, you could prepare your skin with that. So make sure your skin is clean, exfoliate it on a regular basis, as I've said before. You could wash your skin using mild soap, and then you can use a shaving oil. I also have the recipe for that. Once you've done everything in the shower, you've applied the oil, or you decided to go oil-free, make sure the areas are dry before you're putting the pants on or your clothes on. So it's very important here. Now, once you've shaved or waxed, you could use the recipe. This recipe is very good as post-shave or post-wax. You take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, then 7 drops of lavender and 12 drops of tea tree oil. So this is your mixture once you've done shaving or waxing. You apply it on the area, and it will really help you to prevent the ingrown hair from occurring. So once you've done everything I've listed and it doesn't work, then you need to change what you're doing. So shaving will not work for you, try waxing. Waxing doesn't work for you, try shaving. If both don't work for you, maybe some, hair removal creams or chemical hair removers or lasers probably would be a better option. So take care of your skin, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you like this video. If you do, please put the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy and healthy. Be kind to yourself. Don't forget to take care of yourself, and your skin will respond and pay you back. And I will be happy to see you in my next video.